CA, MBA or CFA? Which one gives you the best return on investment? Let's break it down with real numbers. Because the truth is, the most expensive course is not always the most rewarding. ROI. ROI means return on investment, that is, how much you invest versus how much you earn back. So we'll compare these three courses based on cost, time, growth, and salary. Cost comparison. So let's start with the investment required for these three courses. For CA, approximately 3 to 4 lakhs in total is required. For MBA, it ranges between 10 to 25 lakhs, which can go even higher when it comes to good colleges. For CFA, it's approximately between 3 to 5 lakhs. Time investment. Now let's talk about time required. For CA, it's approximately 4 to 5 years, which can stretch if in case of more number of attempts. For MBA, it's 2 year, and for CFA, it's between 2.5 to 4 years, including the job. So MBA is the fastest and CA is the longest. Salary outcome, which is the most important part here. So for CA, it ranges somewhere between 6 to 10 LPA. That is an average starting package, which can, and it can grow up to gradually 20 to 30 LPA as in and onwards. For MBA, if you're doing from top colleges also, it ranges, and you can start with a package of 10 to 12 growing to 3 LPA very quickly. For CFA, again, initially you can start with 5 to 12 LPA. It has high growth in niche role. But remember, these are averages. Your college, skills and network matter a lot. ROI comparison. Now let's combine everything. CA, it's low cost plus decent salary. So it's a course with high ROI. Talking about MBA, it's high cost and high salary. ROI again depends on the college. CFA is low cost and moderate salary. It is best as a supplement, not as a standalone course. An MBA from top college can bid everything, but from an average college, not worth the cost. To choose what? Choose CA if you want strong finance and accounting roles. Choose MBA if you want fast growth and corporate roles, and try to get into a good college. Choose CFA if you want finance and investments role. Best course. The best option depends on your goal, not on social media trends. I had to summarize: best ROI overall, CA; fastest growth, MBA from top tier colleges; and best add-on course would be CFA. Follow me for more such insights on finance. Thank you.